Hey guys, Raim from Killer Inc. here, and today I'm here to bring you the Stigma-Rotary Spear. Following on from the Stylist, the Spear is Stigma's latest pen-style rotary machine. It is a fully adjustable machine and it can accept cartridges from all major brands. So let's take a closer look. Just like the Stylist, the Spear is a compact and lightweight pen-style machine. As you can see, we have a long, ergonomically designed grip and a protected RCA port here. Thanks to the grip's indented profile, the Spear is a very comfortable machine to work with. Plus, it's easy to wrap. It also has an anti-roll design, which means it won't roll off your workstation. The Spear is fully adjustable, meaning the give and the stroke length can be independently adjusted without changing any parts. I'll show you how now. To adjust the give, simply twist the top dial like so. Then, you can change the stroke length between 3 and 4 millimeters by twisting the fixed motor. It's a 6-watt Swiss-made motor with 2 preloaded ball bearings and a 2mm shaft, which ensures durability and reliability. As mentioned before, the Spear can be used with all major cartridge brands: Killer Inc. Stellar, Cheyenne, and Stigma's own cartridges. As with the Stylist before it, the Spear is available in 4 colours: black, red, nuclear green and titanium steel, and it is available to order from Killer Inc. via the link in the description below. If you're interested in Stigma's 2 other latest machines, be sure to check out the Hyper V4 and the Stylist. The Hyper V4 is a fully versatile hybrid machine, whereas the Stylist is a pen-style machine with adjustable stroke length. So now that you've seen the Spear, what do you think of it? Let us know in the comments below, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.